What's up everyone? You might have seen in my previous video I've used these AirPods like around 3 years back, maybe 2.5 to 3 years back. These AirPods I was using inside my helmet, tap, and then I was able to pick the call or disconnect the call. So now it is already 3 years complete and one of the side is not working, and let me tell you, this is not a genuine one. So this is a copy one, but they call it a master copy. It survived for 3 years, a lot of experiments on this, and now the time is to completely open this and see what is inside the copy ones. So there are a lot of videos on YouTube that we can see which shows how it actually looks inside the AirPods which are genuine, but none of them show about what is inside the copy ones. Let's go ahead and see what's this got. So for that we need a screwdriver set, and I got it from MI, and it's got every other screws set that we need to open this. So let me tell you how you can actually check if the AirPods that you purchased in the market is original or not. So the first thing that you see is, even if it is a master copy, this part of the AirPod will be plastic in most cases. So you see this, the paint is chipping off. If it is original if it is original AirPods, you will definitely see none of these colors coming off, because it is being made up of SS steel, but this one is turns out to be aluminum, so you'll find plastic also. So this seems more like original. Let's just open and see. Try to open this first. Whoa, that was easy. That was just easy. Oh. So you can see the wires here. If it is original, you will find strips, not the wires. And the battery pack will not be like this, cheap quality. But then, even if I say cheap quality, it has survived for almost 3 years. You need to understand that first. And this is the charging. Oh, it's got the battery here, and I think we need to disconnect here. This is the battery. So there is a sensor here. So this is it. So this is the charging point. This is the mic. This is the mic, and the rest of the TWS, true wireless chip. So this is it inside the earphone. Let's just check what's inside this. So you will not believe, this is the wireless charger. It works. Can you see the light here? Yeah, it works. So it might have the coil. Whoa, that's it. So this seems quite simple right now. I think it's still working, but I don't want to use this as of now, because one side it's not working and the other side is buzzing a bit. And this is the magnet that holds this in place, and this is the charging point. Let's just, so this is the coil. See, it works. So these Chinese companies are able to fool Apple in a way that this one also recognizes Apple as an Apple product itself. You see this? A nice metal they have used. So let's just okay. So this is the power button. Okay, so this is it. This is the main motherboard. This is the heart of it, and there is a battery here. So this is the button. This is the battery. Okay, this is the battery. I might need this battery elsewhere. And this is kept just beside it so that the earphones okay, so that's a magnet. Not so powerful because the actual magnets are these. Those were just metal. Whoa. One more magnet here. One magnet, two magnet. So there is 3 magnet, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Total of 5 magnets. And this is how your AirPod, the copy version, looks when it is completely dismantled. If you like the video, do subscribe. Else, we'll come back. If you like this video, do like, share, and subscribe with your friends. Also, the next video is going to be about this iPhone 3GS, which I'm going to be parting out and then making a template that can be hanged on the wall as a frame. So see you in the next project. Until then, see ya. Bye.